Hi guys, here we are at Llanfair Plisgwyngyll Gogerach Rheindrobl Llandysilio Goch level crossing in Ynys Môn with AB trains. Yes, this is the icing on the cake. The time is 15:04 on Saturday the 23rd of August 2025, and this is 4. Hour 15:07 when Alpha 70 of Anti-West Coast Service in Holyhead to Crewe. There's the station over there. We've got a while yet before the train, so let's have a go at these, shall we? If I butcher it, I apologise. Gan bwyll, gall trenau arall githiwr trenau sy'n dod atoch. Edrychwch... No, that's wrong. Edrychwch... The gate's locking. Edrychwch y ddwy ffordd periwch a chroesi nes a byth pob llinell yn glir. I hope I got that right. That one I struggled with, hence why I said it multiple times. Caution, oncoming trains can be hidden by other trains. Look both ways. Do not cross until all lines are clear. Well, I think I can just hear the train coming, so I'll have to be quite brief. Stopiwch, there's that word again. Edrychwch. Gwrandewch. Goffal trenau. Stop, look, listen, beware of trains. And there's your access point information. That way is for Gaidawen and onwards to stations to Holyhead. And that way is the Britannia Bridge and into Bangor Gwynedd. Warning, do not trespass on the railway, penalty £1,000. Rybydd, pediwch a thresmasu ar y reilffordd, cosb £5,000. I also have to be a bit careful at this crossing because the signaller doesn't want to be on film. Hence why I have to keep ducking every now and then. Pardon? 20 seconds, okay, thanks. 20 seconds until the train. Here we go, we've got... I think that was a bit less than 20 seconds, in all honesty. 805 805 to Crewe. And it's going to coming up in the gates. But again, got to be careful. I mean, it should do, because there's no other train until about 48 as of Gaiwen. off they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.